Hey coders! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something even more exciting. Functions in JavaScript. Functions are the building blocks of efficient and reusable code. They let us perform tasks, organize logic, and avoid repeating ourselves. Let's get started and make coding even more powerful. Okay, so what exactly is a function? Think of it like a machine. You give it an input and it processes that input and then it gives you an output. Functions help us organize code into reusable blocks. Make the code easier to read and debug. Perform specific tasks with flexibility. The basic syntax of a function looks like this. Function, the keyword to define a function. Function name, the name of the function. You can call it anything you want, just like naming a variable. Parameters, these are placeholders for input values. Inside the curly brace, we write the instructions or code we want the function to perform. The return statement sends back the result of the function. Let's write a simple function together. Open your script file, type this. Here, greet is the name of the function. It takes a single parameter, name. Inside the function, we use a return to send back a greeting message. Now, to use or call this function, you type console.log greet John. When you save and refresh your browser console, you should see hello John. Great job! You just created and used your first function. Let's make this a bit more advanced. Functions can take multiple inputs. Here, number 1 and number 2 are parameters. The function adds them together and returns the result. Call this function like this. What do you think the result will be? That's right, it's 15. Test it out and see for yourself. Functions can also be stored in variables. This is called a function expression. To call this function, type console.log multiply 3. This will return 12. You can use this style for more flexibility in your code. Modern JavaScript introduces arrow functions, which are shorter and cleaner. For example, this does the same as a traditional function, but with less syntax. Try it out. Now, let's talk about why functions are so useful. Imagine you have to calculate the same thing in multiple parts of your code. Instead of writing the same code again and again, you just call the function. For example, in our add numbers function, you can calculate the sum of any two numbers as many times as you need without repeating the logic. Here is a challenge for you. First, write a function named calculate area that takes width and height as parameters. Second thing, it should return the area of a rectangle. Call this function with different values and see the results. Drop your solution in the comments below. Awesome work, everyone! Today, we learned about functions, their syntax, how to write and use them, and even advanced forms like arrow functions. Functions are the backbone of clean and reusable code, so make sure to practice them. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye!